Hi guys, welcome back to The Love of Birds. Today, we're playing some bird tennis. And I'm excited because this is our third round playing tennis with the birds. And it is really fun. We've invented a very fun game for them. We just go back and forth. We're not that good at tennis, but the bays help us through it. So, let's get playing and, yeah.
Yeah, kids, you can get really creative with, playing sports like this. We just kind of came up with this idea. We're not that good at tennis. We're learning the game. But basically, each bird plays 3 rounds. And,
Yeah, can I explain it?
Yes.
Each bird plays 3 rounds, and if they foul 3 times, like they have to get past 5 go back and forths, and if they don't, they get a foul, and once they get to 3 fouls, they minus 5 points. So every time you go across, it's 1 point. So I think our top score was Ramsey. She had like 98 going back and forth.
So 98 meaning 1 hit, 2 hits, 3 hits. So you keep the ball going back and forth. You want to keep it up in the air. It's a really good
it's like
exercise.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then
It's
1,
a
2, 3,
really good exercise to help you focus your hits, your shots, and we're okay if it bounces because we're not that good. So we'll give you an example. Who's up next?
Yeah, this is just for a beginner bay contest.
Okay, so who's playing now? It's
We are playing
Sunny.
Well, we have we're starting the finals right now, and we have Sunny and Easter in the finals. Easter, I think, is at 19 points. No, yeah, 19 points, and Sunny is at 19 points as well, I think.
Okay.
I'm not sure. I think Easter's is
We're
a bit
just gonna
more.
call it a tie, and basically now we have to see who's gonna win. So this is Easter and Sunny.
Easter and Sunny.
Easter and Sunny. So we'll show you what we mean.
Yeah. So we're not playing like she's Easter or I'm Sunny. We go one at a time. Ugh. No. Okay, so that, for example, was a foul. So 1 foul for Sunny. That was 6.
Okay, so
That was 6.
we count that because anything over 5 counts.
Yes.
Anything under 5 is a foul.
Is a foul. And once the bird gets over 5, the foul does not count after they get points.
Way up.
Oh no, the wind! Oh. Hey, you learned. So how many is that? That's 1 foul and 6 for Sunny?
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, too hard! Too hard! Too hard!
That was 9.
That was 9, yeah. So 15 for Sunny so far,
Yeah.
and he still has 1 round left.
Yeah.
So we'll play the next round for Sunny, and we'll tell you what happened right after. So what happened with Sunny is he got 7 on his last round? 7 on his last round. So 15 plus 7 is 23. Yes, 23?
15 and 7
Yeah,
is
23.
Yes.
22.
22.
22. So Sunny ended up with 22 points. After 3 rounds, he had 2 fouls, but they both didn't count. So let's do Easter now and see what he gets. We'll only do 2 rounds for him because, it's kind of hard to video everything. So,
Yeah, we'll just give you
so
some
just 2
snippets.
rounds. Yeah,
This
and
is
then
just-
we'll tell you at the end what happened.
Yeah, this just is really to give you guys some inspiration on how you can get creative with your pets or, you know, whatever.
Even dogs, cats, birds.
Yeah, it just gives you a little focus and it kind of makes it fun, and it's a really good game.
Even if you don't have 4 dogs or 4 cats, you can still play 1v1s, 2v2s, whatever.
Really good for mental math, moms and dads too. So yeah, it helps encourage that. So all right, let's play.
Yeah.
What?
Easter is probably gonna blow.
So what are we at so far?
Easter is at 17, and Sunny is at 22.
Okay.
So I think Easter has a big chance to win here. He actually won the last time, so let's see if he can do it again. We'll just do one more round. He'll probably beat Sunny this round. I think, just to keep you guys in suspense, we should play the third round without video, because then it would get really intense. So let's, we'll tell you guys what happened at the end, but I think we should play the third round.
Sure.
Without video.
Without video.
So,
We'll let you know how it goes.
Yeah.
All right.
So what ended up happening is probably what you guys thought. Easter took the win and he got 14. Yeah, 14?
Yeah, 14.
14 go back and forth.
So 14 plus
22? 21.
20.
No, wait.
20.
12.
12.
14 plus 12 is 26. So, Easter takes the win once again. So, we will probably do one of these videos every week.
I don't know.
Oh, maybe not every week, but
we
have done this the past few weeks.
Yeah, 3 weeks in a row now.
Yeah.
So. Great game, great way to get some exercise. And I guess if we were close to home, we could have brought the birds in their cage. They could have been watching with us, but maybe next time we'll see.
This is also a video for them to watch live, so we're gonna bring it home to them, set it up for them.
That's right.
Let them watch.
Another fun way to love your birds, guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Love your birds. Subscribe. Like. Bye. Love your birds. So, that was some awesome tennis. So, just to round it up, Easter did win. You probably did know that. No, you got last. Too bad. You got last. Ice got last. Ramsey got second. Ramsey got third. Sunny got second, and East the victor. So, East will take the win. We will do another tennis video in the future. Please like and subscribe. Love your birds. Yeah, you can do some bird tennis too. It's quite fun. If you don't understand the rules, recap. I don't have a paper, so I don't know how to explain it right now. But, well, anyway, you need 4 birds. Well, not 4 birds, but if you want to do elimination, you can make up non-living birds. So, you can do cats, dogs, whatever, but let me explain the rules. The birds, they go one at a time. They get 3 turns, and if they get 3 fouls in a row, they have to. The foul is if they get a 5 or 4 or lower. They will 4 back and forths or lower. They will get a foul, and if they get 3 of those in a row, they will lose 5 points. And each go back and forth is worth 1 point. So, love your birds. I don't know if there's anything else, but the finals, if they do tie, they keep going from their score. But if they don't tie, they restart their score, so they're at 0 both. Yeah. Yep. We got the Bays. They did it. We've done 3 tournaments, but Easter won this time, last time, and Sunny won the first time. So we're actually thinking Easter's a girl, but that I might announce sometime other. But yeah, love your birds, and we'll see you next time. Bye.